Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Okay students, so let us start with the exercise 4.3. This exercise is based upon multiplying by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 90. Okay, same way multiplying by 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, how we will multiplying these numbers. So let us start with the part A. Part A is find the product. So what is the meaning of product? When we are multiplying any numbers, okay, the answer which we are getting, that is known as product. So first part is 10 multiply 4. So 10 fours are 40, that you know. But how we will multiply by 0? See here. Suppose it is 10 means total number of zeros are 1. Okay, in 10 1 0 is there. Okay, so firstly how we are doing these kind of questions, you can see known zero number 1 fours are, firstly write 4 and count the zeros. 1 0 is here, so place that 0 here, so answer will be 40. Same way 10 multiply 72, multiply 72 by 1, 72 ones are 72 and 1 0 is here, so place 1 0 after 72, so answer will be 720. Okay, next is 2 3 or 3 4 5 parts are homework for you. Okay, all are simple, so try some parts yourself. Next is sixth part is 100 multiply 90. So firstly we are doing known zero numbers, means 9 ones are 9. Count the total number of 0, that is 2 here and 1 here, so total are 3, so 1 2 3, so it will be 9000. Seventh part 20 multiply 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 1 0 is here, so place 1 0 after 14, so it is 140. Eighth part is 70 multiply 8. So 8 sevens are, okay, do 8 sevens are 56 and place 1 0. Total number of zeros are 1 only, so place 1 0 after 56, so it will be 560. Okay, look here now 300. Now we are multiplying by 300, so 300 13s are, okay, so direct how you will do, firstly do 13 threes are, so 13 table you should learn. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. Okay, so 39 and 2 total zero number of zeros are 2, so 39 and after 39 there are 2 zeros, so it will be 3900 or 3900. Clear? Come to next one, 10th part, 400 multiply 15. 400 multiply 15, so again students 400 multiply by 15, so how we will do, firstly 15 fours we will do, and what answer will come, we will place 2 zeros after that. Okay, so see here now 15 fours are 60. Clear? 15 fours are 60. 15 fours are 60. 60 we have written and place 2 0 after this. So total will be 6000. Okay, 60 and 2 more zeros. 60 answer we got when we have multiplied 15 by 4. So 15 fours are 60 and 2 zeros are already there, so place that 2 zeros also. Clear students? Now come to 11th part, 700 multiply 9. So 700 multiply 9, so firstly 7 9s are, 9 sevens are 63 and place 2 zeros after 63, so answer will be 6300, 6300. 900 multiply 9, so 9 9s are 81 and after that 2 zeros, so 8100. Clear? I hope this part is clear to everyone. So come to second one part, multiply. How we are multiplying with zeros. Okay, so direct also you can understand this. Suppose first question is, see the first part, 12 multiply 30. So 12 multiply 30, if it is given like this, so how we are doing, 12 3s are 36 and 10 will come here. So answer will be 360. But the basic rule also you have to understand. Okay. See now how we are doing. Firstly, place it ones and tens. Okay. How we are doing? Firstly, we are multiplying with the down one number, that is 0. Okay, 0 with 2, 0 with 1 in first step. So 2, 0 2s are 0, 0 1s are 0. In second step, what we are doing? Firstly, we are putting cross. Then we are starting multiplying by the second number, that is 3. 3 2s are we will do, and 3 1s are. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. How we are multiplying? Again see, look here. Again you will see. Let me make it more closer so that it will be visible properly. Okay students, see now. Firstly, how we are doing? 0 with this number, 0 with this number. Okay, ones and tens. So 0 with ones and tens both. Then put cross. Okay, and start multiplying this second number with ones and tens. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. After that, when we are getting numbers, then we are adding these numbers. 0 and down cross means 0, as it is 0 plus 6 6 and 3 as it is. So answer is 360. Second part now see, 11 4s are 44 and 1 0 is there, so 440. But the basic rule, how we are doing? 0 1s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Now put cross, start from 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Okay, so now start adding. 0 as it is, 0 plus 4, 4 and 4 also down as it is. So like this way. Next part also, 14 multiply 40. You can do 14 4s are 56 and 1 0. Okay, like this you can check your answer. But basic rule, how we will do? Now you will tell with me. Okay, start doing with me so that it will be. Let me do it like this. Yeah. Okay, start doing now. How we will? Firstly 0 with 4, 0 with 1. Okay, so 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0. Firstly, when we are multiplying by 0, first will come 0 only. Then start, put cross down, start from 4. 4 4s are, and okay, 4 4s are 16. 6 down, 1 will be carry. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, that is 5. So now add it, 0, 0 plus 6 6 and 5 as it is. So it will be 560. Now 16 tens are 160. It's simple only. Without any carry. This also without any carry. Okay. Yeah, this we will do. 41 multiply 70. So 41 multiply 70. Do it now. Little bit it is hiding. Let me. Yeah. See now. 0 1s are, 0 4s are. So when we are multiplying by 0, 0 is coming. Okay, then put cross. 7 1s are, 7 4s are. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Okay, now start adding. 0 as it is, 0 plus 7 7, 8 and 2. So 2870. So this is your answer. Okay, so students, do practice for these multiplications. Second, now come to see part, write the product. Okay, these points are to remember. No need to write in notebook. Okay, only for remembering it. That which method we are following in this. Actually, C part is little bit different. Okay. So here you have to multiply the numbers by 9, 99, 999. Like this numbers are given to you. So when like this numbers are coming, so to make it easy, what we are doing, see, listen here, what are the points to remember? To multiply, okay, see here. To multiply a number by 9, multiply number by 10. Okay, to multiply any number by 9, so what we have to take? We have to take the help of number 10. We are not taking 9, then we are taking help of 10. Okay, if it is 99, then we are taking help of 100. Clear? So 52 multiply 9. So 52 firstly multiply by 10, then minus 52. Then subtract the number from the product. So this is product now. Okay, when we are multiplying 10 and 52, product is 520, and minus you have to do this number again. So 520 minus 52, when you will subtract, you will get 468. Okay. Next again with 9. So I will do of this 3 and 4th part. Students, you will try yourself. Okay, I am showing you this 5th part. It's 34 multiply 99. Now you will see, if it is 99, then we have to take the help of 100. Okay, how we are doing now? See the method. What we are doing? Firstly take 34, multiply by 100, and same number 34 again you will subtract. Now these two numbers we will multiply, so it is 3400 minus 34. So now you can subtract it. 34 minus 34, make it 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Left with 3, down 3, and this also 3 will come down. Okay, so 3366 will be your answer. 6th part. Now come to 6th part. When it is given 99 multiply 99, how we will do? Okay, start doing with me. Okay, firstly 99. I am writing here. 99 is there. Don't touch this 99. Next one 99. What we are doing? We are not taking 99. We are taking 100. Okay, then what number we have to subtract from it? That is 99 only. So 99 multiply 100, that is 9900 minus 99. Okay, so like this you will subtract. 0 minus 9 we cannot do, make it 10. Okay, 10 minus 9, 1, left with 9. 9 minus 9, 0, left with 8, because these two zeros are taking borrow from this 9. Okay, so 8 as it is, 9 as it is. So answer will be 9801. Okay, students, I hope this is clear. Part A you have to do in book, and part B and C do in notebook. Okay, do practice for the same. If any doubt will be there, any difficulty will be there, let me know. I will make you explain again. Okay, have a good day to all. God bless.